How to fix this application requires iOS 16.0 or later. If you are seeing the error, this application requires iOS 16.0 or later, it means your iPhone is running an older iOS version, and here is how to fix it. First of all, open the Settings app on a mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Once you tap on the General, you will get to see software update option available there. Simply tap on it. If your device supports iOS 16, then wait for the update to complete and restart your device. You will get to see install option available there. If there is any update available, install it, and that is it. Now, some app requires iOS 17 or newer. If your iPhone is on iOS 16, check if the app specifically needs iOS 17 instead. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.